Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Rehan. I am an active information student in Bina Nusantara University. In this video, I will explain and present my research titled A Preliminary Research on Critical Success Factors of Digital Startup Performance, guided by Dr. Erwin Halim. So, the background of this research is, according to data, over the past 5 years, nearly all startups have failed in the first year at 10% and 70% in subsequent years, said Josh Howard, 2025. What is the impact? The impact is the waste of economic resource. Investors suffered losses due to the large amount of funds that had been deployed to promote the development of digital startups, which ultimately ended in failure. The next is loss of potential for innovative solutions. It means, due to the failure of many digital startups, many innovative ideas have not been realized by the public. And the last is leading to the dependence on foreign technology. The problem formulation is, how can digital startups increase their success rate? The table below is the list of questions of problem formulation. Research benefits. This research benefits is providing information related to the causes of digital startup failure as a reference for digital startup founders who are just starting their businesses, becoming a solution for owners of digital startup who are just starting out. The next is research model. On the left, we can see that my research model have 7 hypotheses and 9 variables. In this section, we can see the table that has some questions about my questionnaire. This is called operational variable. The next is data collection method. I use literature review, checking references from various sources such as articles and journals, and questionnaire, shared online via Google Form. My research method is quantitative, descriptive, and associative. Population. My population is Indonesian society active users of e-commerce age 18 until 45 years. Indonesian people who actively use social media. And my hypothesis result said that my, from that 3 of the 8 relations are not significant. We can see it. Advertising to brand awareness is not significant. Customer trust and online repurchase intention not significant. Social media marketing to brand awareness is not significant. Why? Most of these insignificant results indicate that advertising does not have a significant effect on brand awareness. This may be because not all advertising messages are accepted by customers. Data analysis method, I'm using SAM-PLS or Structural Equation Modeling, partial least squares, and my software is SmartPLS. This is frequently used digital startup platforms. As we can see from the table below, there are the information of frequently used digital startup. Practical implications. I'm using a sample for online repurchase intention to digital startup success for practical implication. Why? Because uh, online repurchase intention means customer is satisfied and and having their trust to the digital startup product. It means if customer buying repeat online to the same store of digital startup, it means digital startup already success. The conclusion. In conclusion, this study highlights that a combination of strong customer satisfaction mechanism and effective brand awareness strategies driven by influencers plays an important role in shaping the success of digital startups. And my suggestion is digital startups should be able to improve product quality and customer satisfaction to increase loyalty and repeat purchases. Digital startups should evaluate and possibly revise their social media and advertising strategies to better align with audience engagement behaviors. For further research, it will be better to use more samples in order to cover a wider range. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.